In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to heal in Arc Raiders. Healing is simple once you know the flow, and getting it right can make the difference between surviving a firefight and having to restart. Let's walk through it clearly, from what you need to how to use it efficiently in the middle of action. First, you'll need a healing item, like a bandage. Think of bandages as your basic tool for restoring health. If you don't have one on you, you won't be able to heal. So make sure you keep at least one in your inventory before heading into tougher encounters. They're meant to be used during or right after fights to keep you in the game, so treat them as essential supplies. Next, equip your healing item so it's ready the moment you need it. The fastest way is to place the bandage into a quick-use slot. That way, you can equip it instantly without digging through menus when things get hectic. If you haven't set that up yet, you can still equip it directly from your inventory. Both methods do the same thing. The quick-use setup just saves precious seconds when enemies are pushing. Once the bandage is equipped, healing is straightforward. Hold down the left mouse button to begin applying it. Keep that button held until the process finishes. If you let go early, it can cancel the heal and you won't get the full benefit. You'll usually see a short animation or a brief progress cue as the healing takes effect, so don't rush it. This is where timing matters. Try to start healing when you have a moment of safety. During the heal, find cover or step behind a solid object to reduce incoming damage. Healing while exposed can waste your item if you're interrupted. A quick dash into a doorway, behind a rock, or around a corner buys you the few seconds you need. If you do get pushed, you can pause and reattempt once it's safe. But remember, the heal only applies when you hold that left click until completion. Keep an eye on your overall health and don't wait until you're one hit from being downed. Topping off earlier can help you survive unexpected bursts of damage. Also, manage your supply. Bandages are valuable, so use them wisely and restock whenever you can. That's the whole process. Have a healing item, like a bandage, equip it, ideally in quick use, and hold left click to heal fully. Master this rhythm, and you'll stay in the fight longer and recover smarter in Arc Raiders.